Hey guys, welcome to week number 6, and of course we're in chapter 6 for our principles of management. This week we're going to be talking about entrepreneurship. I know it's about midway through the week here, but I wanted to send out a video just to give you an update as how we've been doing as a team or as a group and where we're headed here. Just a quick reminder, we are 2 weeks away from our midterm. Any questions on the midterm, as always, feel free to email me or give me a call. But the midterm is composed of questions that are pulled from your previous weekly quizzes. So it's nothing new. You should already be familiar with the information. You should be very comfortable with it by the time you get to the midterm. They're questions that you have seen, so they're questions you should know. This week, I want to just bring up a couple of things that I've noticed have happened in our class. One of which is a lot of people have done extremely well with our online discussions. They understand what's expected and what is due. But I just want to reiterate the fact that you have to put in an initial post of yourself, something genuine from you or original thought in regards to the discussion. Then you're going to reply to 2 other posts, to 2 other classmates, or to a reply within your own post. So if you put something up this week, we're talking about the entrepreneurship, and in particular in our discussion, we'll be talking about Pillow Pets, a family who designed, developed, and built this business from nothing. And if you put up in a post and then someone replies to you either questioning or maybe asking a little more detail, and you reply to that, then that also counts. What the whole purpose of the discussion post is for the class to interact amongst itself. So it's not just a one-way conversation going from me to you, but from you to back to me, and also as classmates talking to each other in these discussions. So that's the point of the discussion. If you just put your own post and don't reply, you're really not having any discussion. You're really just putting your post out there and you're not replying to anyone. You're not having a conversation with anyone. So please, that is a huge part of your grade. A lot of people have put on an original post and then stopped. You're not going to get full credit for that. As great as your post could be, it's only going to get a partial points for that. So please make sure you are having some type of conversation. Also want to mention, up to this point, I've been a little lenient in regards to giving you the full amount of points when it's, yes, I agree with you type of replies. That is not going to fly from now on. Please make sure you're having a conversation of some sort. Now, if you were in a true conversation and someone spoke, you wouldn't reply to someone in the midst of a conversation saying, I agree with that, and stop. That would be the most awkward conversation to be a part of. Either way, I wanted to bring that up because that's an easy way to lose points, but it's also a very easy way to make sure your grade stays high and up and get your full pointage for that. So all you have to do is have a general conversation. I am not going to judge the conversation. I'm going to just make sure that you are participating as long as it has substance. I agree with you. That's a great point is not enough for me. Please make sure you're having conversations during that post. So this week is Pillow Pets. You have Entrepreneur, which is a pretty exciting topic. In our in-class, we developed our own business and did a business overview, and I put you guys in teams. Of course, we don't have the flexibility with that, but if someone's interested in developing something like that, I will be willing to consider giving some extra points for people who are falling behind. We would have to develop some type of structure for you to submit it. But if someone's interested, shoot me an email, and I'll be willing to work with you on that for some extra pointage. Other than that, midterms coming up, 2 weeks away after this week. Make sure you're understanding how that midterm works. It's a good portion of your grade, so it's going to affect you if you're not prepared for it. A lot of people usually ask me for study guides. Well, you have those study guides because it is the tests that have already been taken. Those are your study guides. I'm not going to print all those tests for you, so that's something that you would have to do. You would have to figure out how to do that. Make sure you're somehow keeping the questions in mind somewhere. But either way, the 5 questions from every chapter will be included in your midterm, so it's nothing new for you. That's about it, guys. I think you are, for the most part, heading in the right direction. If you have fallen behind or if you have struggled in an area, this is a perfect time to bring that up. If you are having a difficult time during this course, this is a good time. We're still before the midterm. We still can pull you up. We still can help you. So just speak up, let me know, and I'll be more than willing to step in and try to do some stuff with you. I appreciate it, guys. I hope you're having a good semester. I hope everyone's doing well. Have a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you soon.